Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's all about confidence, self-expression, and getting ahead of the curve. We're talking about the 5 Brazilian wax styles that are set to redefine your confidence in 2026. Now, you might be thinking, it's just hair removal, right? But it's so much more than that. In 2026, confidence isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's quieter, more intentional. It's about feeling incredible in your own skin, a silent power that radiates from within. It's that subtle smile you have when you know you've got a secret, a little boost that's just for you. This isn't just about grooming, it's a transformation. It's where beauty meets psychology, and trust me, it's a game changer. So, grab a drink, get comfy, and make sure you stay till the end. Because I'm going to reveal the one style that so many people regret skipping, and you won't want to be one of them. Let us start with a classic that's getting a modern twist for 2026, the full Brazilian, or as it's sometimes called, the Hollywood. This is the ultimate clean slate look. It involves removing all the hair from the front, back, and everything in between. Why is it still reigning supreme? Simplicity and freedom. There's zero fuss. You can wear the tiniest bikini or the most delicate lingerie without a second thought. For 2026, the philosophy behind the full Brazilian is about minimalism and a fresh start. It's like a reset button for your confidence. The feeling is one of pure, unadulterated smoothness. It's bold, it's clean, and it says, I'm in complete control. If you're someone who loves a no-maintenance, effortlessly chic vibe in all aspects of your life, this is your go-to. It's the little black dress of waxing, timeless, elegant, and always appropriate. Next up, we have the style that's perfect for those who like a little bit of mystery, the landing strip. This style removes most of the hair, but leaves a neat, thin vertical strip of hair at the front. Think of it as a classic with a playful edge. For 2026, the landing strip is evolving. It's less about the trends of the 90s and more about personal tailoring. The width and length can be completely customized to what makes you feel best. It's a very intentional, chic choice. It says you appreciate a clean aesthetic but also like to keep a little something for yourself. It's a popular choice because it feels like the perfect balance. You get the super smooth feeling of a Brazilian wax on the sides and back, but with a touch of curated design. It's a statement of refined taste. If you dipping your toes into the world of Brazilian waxing, or you just love a classic, sophisticated look, the landing strip is a fantastic and timeless option. Now for style number 3, which is gaining so much popularity, the triangle. Just like it sounds, this style leaves a small, neat triangle of hair at the front. The rest is completely smooth. Why the triangle for 2026? It's all about embracing natural shapes while still looking incredibly polished. The triangle is a bit softer and more natural looking than the sharp lines of a landing strip. It beautifully complements the body's natural curves. It's a style that feels both modern and organic. It says, I'm confident in my natural beauty, but I also love a refined finish. It's the perfect middle ground for someone who doesn't want to go completely bare but still wants a very clean and tidy appearance. It's a subtle, sophisticated choice that's becoming a favorite for its understated elegance. It's less about a trend and more about a timeless shape that just works. Okay, moving on to number 4, and this one is for the creative souls out there, custom shapes. Yes, you heard that right. In 2026, self-expression is key, and that extends to your wax. We're talking small hearts, initials, or other simple designs. This is where you can have a little fun with it. While a landing strip or triangle is a defined shape, this takes it a step further into personalization. It's your own little secret art. It's playful, it's unique, and it's entirely yours. This style is for the person who doesn't take themselves too seriously and loves to embrace their individuality in every way possible. It's a conversation starter, even if the only person you're having the conversation with is yourself in the mirror. It's a massive confidence boost because it's a choice that is 100% you. It's about owning your body and your style, right down to the last detail. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the 5th style, and the one I mentioned that so many people regret skipping. It's not a shape, but a modification. The modified Brazilian, often called the bikini full. This is where you get the full Brazilian treatments, sides, middle, and back, but you choose to leave a customized, fuller shape on the front, like a larger triangle or a natural but neatly trimmed patch. Why is this the one people regret skipping? Because many people jump straight to the full Brazilian, thinking it's the only option for a truly clean feel. But then, They find they miss having a little something there. The modified Brazilian gives you the best of both worlds. You get that incredibly clean, smooth feeling everywhere. It matters for swimwear and lingerie, but you retain a more natural look at the front. It's the ultimate style for body positivity and personal preference. It says, "I define my own standard of beauty." It's comfortable, it's low maintenance, and it's incredibly empowering. It honors your natural self while still giving you that polished, confident feeling of a professional wax. It's the perfect blend of natural and neat. So before you go all bare, consider the modified Brazilian. It might just be the perfect fit you never knew you needed. So there you have it, the 5 Brazilian wax styles that are going to be huge in 2026. From the minimalist full Brazilian to the playful custom shapes and the perfectly balanced modified Brazilian. There's a style to match every personality and confidence level. Remember, this is all about you. It's about what makes you feel powerful, beautiful, and ready to take on the world. Don't be afraid to talk to your esthetician about customizing your look. They are professionals who can help you find the perfect style for your body and your lifestyle. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this gave you some inspiration and insight. Which style are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you live your most confident life. See you in the next video.